Ever wondered if the very people designing our favorite games are also battling the dreaded Joycon drift? Let's imagine a typical day at Nintendo headquarters. Pristine offices, innovative minds buzzing, Anthena Eurobound. Our hypothetical hero, let's call him Hero, is playtesting the new Zelda game, meticulously ensuring every pixel is perfect, when suddenly Link starts wandering off a cliff all on his own. Hero, a master coder, first assumes it's a bug in the game. Hours are spent combing through lines of code, fueled by copious amounts of green tea. But the problem persists. He cleans, he recalibrates, he even tries the age-old trick of blowing into it like an old cartridge. Nothing. Defeated, Hero finally accepts the truth. He, a Nintendo employee, is a victim of Joycon drift. The irony. Does he bravely attempt a DIY repair with YouTube tutorials and questionable tools? Or does he succumb to the inevitable and order a replacement? The answer, my friends, is lost to the annals of Nintendo history. Let us know what you would do in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.